Okay, so let's get started. The things that you're going to need is a heat protector. I am using the Do Grow Mega Thick Grow Serum. It works as heat protector, and it gives you a high gloss polish, controls split ends and frizzes, and thickens and straightens your hair. So this is why I have this one. And then I'm going to be using the Hot Shot Tools Crimper. I got this at Sally's. This one was $49.99. And then I'm going to be using a ponytail band, I was going to say liga, and a clip. So what I do first, I'm going to apply this serum just so that my hair doesn't burn. And it says all you need is a dime size, so that much. And just rub it in my hands and work it in just so that my hair is protected. Okay, go play, baby. So then I'm gonna find my part where I want my hair to be. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab the bottom section. So I'm gonna use the clip, and I'm gonna pull back my hair like that, and I have this here. The reason why I use ponytail is because once this is crimped, I put it back in a ponytail and I wrap it up, and then I do another section just so I don't get the hair mixed in with the crimped hair and the straight hair. Not to mention you need hairspray. I'm gonna grab this section. I'm gonna place it up. I'm not gonna place it all the way just because I don't want to burn my scalp. And just hold for 10 seconds. And then I push up like this. I don't know if you guys can see, I push up like this just so that while the hair is cooling, if you hold it like that, it'll stay like that. And then there you go. There's that piece. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. So after that, I spray it. And then that. So that section's done. And then on to another section.